Milltek Sport has used its own Range Rover P530 to accelerate development and be one of the first to offer an enhanced system for the latest 4.4-liter twin-turbo version of the British icon. The new particulate filter-back system retains the OEM valve functionality and is supplied with a Milltek Sport Valve Controller to allow for full control. The exhaust also has an active center section with discrete downturn tips, while the sound is now more reminiscent of that of the previous performance-focused 5.0-liter V8 Range Rover SVR. The system is priced from £3,811. Designed, developed, and manufactured in the UK, the Milltek Sport systems for the luxury 4x4 mount to the original fixings and follow the route of the original factory exhausts, ensuring easy installation and that off-road capability is not compromised. As with all Milltek Sport exhausts, they are constructed from aircraft-grade T304L stainless steel. T304L is a highly durable form of stainless steel that is far less susceptible to degradation and discoloration than many others of its kind, while it will last almost indefinitely.